Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about cropping pattern and their effect, which comes under agronomy course of Unit 2. So let me share a presentation with you. Cropping pattern. Cropping pattern is the proportion of land under cultivation of different crop at different point of time is called cropping pattern. It also indicates the time and arrangement of crop in a particular land area, like any changes in cropping pattern would cause change in proportion of land under different crops, change in space, sequence and time of crop. In India, the cropping pattern is determined by rainfall, temperature, climate, technology, and their soil type. In order to obtain maximum yield, different patterns of croppings are practiced. Like major cropping patterns include monocropping, mixed cropping, intercropping, and crop rotation. So coming to the monocropping reduce soil fertility and destroy the structure of the soil. Chemical fertilizers are required to upgrade production. This practice allows the spread of pests and diseases. So coming to the mixed cropping. In mixed cropping, two or more crops are grown on the same land. For example, growing wheat and gram on the same land at the same time is a mixed cropping. This practice minimizes the risk of failure of one of the crop and ensure against crop failure due to abnormal weather conditions. The advantage of mixed cropping is like crop yield increases, reduction in the risk of crop failure, the soil is utilized properly, more than one variety of crop can be harvested at the same time. Coming to the intercropping is the practice of growing more than one crop on the same field at the same time in a definite row pattern. Like after one row of the main crop, 3 rows of intercropping can be grown. This will also increase the productivity of per unit area of the land. Advantage of intercropping, this also helps to fertile the soil and maintain its fertility. And the spread of disease and pest is also controlled. Optimum utilization of resource, space and time of growing more than one crop is saved. Maximum utilization of nutrients present in the soil. Example of this intercropping is maize and soybean, bajra and lobia are some of the crops grown as an intercrop. Coming to the crop rotation. In this pattern, different crops are grown on the same land in pre-land succession. The crops are classified based on the 1-year rotation, 2-year rotation, or 3-year rotation, depending upon their duration. The advantage of crop rotation is like this also increase the fertility and it's maintain the fertility in a prolonged period of time. The growth of weed and pest is prevented here, and the lot of chemical fertilizers are not required in the crop rotation. Coming to the factor affecting cropping pattern. The cropping pattern determines the level of agriculture production. This also reflects the agriculture economy of any region. And the cropping patterns affected by change in agrarian policy, availability of agriculture input, as well as improvement in the technology also. The cropping pattern is beneficial in improving the fertility of soil and also increase the yield of the crop. It also ensures the crop protection and the availability of nutrient to the crop. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you all will understand the topic which I had covered in this video. So happy learning.